Okay, in this video, I am going to demystify YouTube ads, and I'm going to break down some of the most common YouTube ads topics. Let me turn this down. Not topics, YouTube ads types that are most common on YouTube. Most of you know, if you are accustomed to our channel, YouTube is the #2 highest traffic website in the world, second to Google. Okay, Google owns YouTube, and a lot of the targeting that you do on Google is applicable also to YouTube, right? Which is why we came up with the strategy that's called the G3 marketing strategy, which takes 3 of Google's most powerful platforms, especially for lawyers: Google ads, local services ads, and YouTube ads, for you to promote your law firm to the right niche market. Okay. Now, the key is all 3 of these working together. Okay, Google ads, LSAs, local services ads, and YouTube ads. But in this video specifically, I'm going to go into the most common ad types on YouTube so that you can wrap your head around what is advertising on YouTube. And before I go and share my screen right now, if you want to download the book that we just released called G3 Marketing for Attorneys, we literally just wrote the book on this. It's just g3.smbteam.com. That's G and the number 3, period, smbteam.com. Okay. So you go to g3.smbteam.com. You can pick up the book for free, G3, on how to use all 3 of these platforms to market your law firm or your service business if you do have local service ads showing up. So without further ado, I'm going to dive into the specific YouTube ads types that you can use to grow your firm. So I'm going to share my screen. The first ad type I want to dive into is what I call the the image discovery ads. So this is the homepage of YouTube. And by the way, 99% of people who visit youtube.com get ads. 1% of people in the world have what's called YouTube Premium. And YouTube Premium means that you don't get ads. So 99% of the world does get ads. And this, again, is the #2 highest traffic website in the world. So just because you don't get ads on YouTube doesn't mean 99% of the world population doesn't get ads. They do get ads. Now, an image discovery ad is, if I click on this, it's just an image and it brings me to a landing page. Here is the landing page. In this case, we are holding a summit at the time of this filming with Jay Abraham, Michael Francis, Andy Stickle, etc. And we're promoting our summit on YouTube ads, practicing what we preach. Okay. So we're promoting them, and this is called an image discovery ad. The reason this ad is triggering is because YouTube knows my interests. Okay. This is probably picking up on either our pixel audience, meaning they know that I visited smbteam.com before, our website. So they're triggering the ad because this is a pixeled audience. Okay. Or my computer's falling within a pixeled audience, or it's just based on my general interests. Okay. That's why I'm triggering the ad. Now, we're not going to go into audience targeting in this video. Okay. But that is a image discovery ad. Okay. Now, next type of ad, which this is pretty funny, is I got this ad on Doodly, and I scrolled down and look what I saw. Oh my gosh, this is another type of discovery ad. Okay, this is what's called a video discovery ad, meaning if I were to click on this, it would show me this video on how you can win a 2021 free car, Mercedes-Benz, for this summit that we're holding at the time of this filming. Okay, so if I click this video, it would bring me to our YouTube video on that subject. So I'll show you exactly what that video is so that you can see. Okay, if I were to click that ad, it would bring me to this video.
A class. We have absolutely lost our minds, and we are giving away a 2021 Mercedes.
Okay, so again, if I were to have clicked on this video discovery ad, it would have brought me to a video. Again, not to be mistaken with image discovery ad, which brings you directly to a landing page, which would look like this. A landing page is a one-page site that's designed to capture information from people. Okay, so again, we have video discovery ad, we have image discovery ad. Okay, next we have another example of a video discovery ad right here. This is another example of a video discovery ad. Okay, Next, we have search ads. Okay. So if I go on YouTube and I type in a keyword, okay, like personal injury lawyer, well, personal injury lawyer ads show up. Okay. Now, the way that you trigger these ads is through your Google Ads account. You don't create a separate ad campaign for this stuff. This falls into your Google Ads campaigns. Now, depending on whether or not you have search partners, quote unquote, turned on, will be what determines whether these ads show up on YouTube, okay? Which is a setting, that's kind of in the fine print of your Google Ads campaigns. But the point is, understand, this is a perfect example of me explaining the importance of having a Google Ads strategy that is hybrid, combined with your YouTube ad strategy. Because right here, I'm telling you, your Google Ads campaign is what creates these ads to show up, nothing else. Now, I'm going to show you another type of ad. This is called a pre-roll ad, a 5-second skippable ad. Okay, this is reported as the #1 most effective ad type on YouTube because it forces you to watch it. All the other ad types are completely optional, whereas these pre-roll skippable ads, the ads that you can skip after 5 seconds, okay, these ads force you to watch those first 5 seconds. Okay, that's why it's one of YouTube's biggest revenue generators as a company, and it's where most of your results are going to come from if you're doing campaigns. Okay, so let's look at this.
Whoa. Stop scrolling. Agency owners, I need you to stop wasting your time, your energy, and your money on things that aren't filling up your calendar. If you're sick and tired.
Okay, so I'm getting this ad saying agency owner, because I own a marketing agency for lawyers. So they know that my interest. So that's why I'm triggering this ad. Okay, as a lawyer, you may get something different, right, in your ads. But I can skip this ad after 5 seconds. It'll say skip ads, right? And then I can go back to the video that I was watching. But some people, if they're qualified, are going to click this link and go to a landing page. Okay. Now down here, this is an extension of this ad, okay? So this is an extension of this skippable ad that's trying to get people to click, okay? So this is the same company, just an extension of it so that when people scroll down, it's another reason for them to click and go to this landing page. And here's another example of, and I love these guys, they're really funny. Shop Nova, they're called. They have some really funny YouTube ads. This is another example of a skippable 5-second skippable pre-roll ad, which is one of the most popular effective types on YouTube. Again, I'm getting this because I run a marketing company. You may not get ads like this, but let's look at it.
Getting what you want out of your ads? Well, don't sweat it. So many people with great products throw all their money into marketing without ever seeing any of it back. Why? Because they're business owners, not ad strategists. Let our team of experts get your store the traffic it needs to take it to the next level. So click the link below and sign up for your free audit.
So your ads don't have to be that crazy for them to work. Honestly, a lot of the best ads that I've seen through people who run ads are the simplest ones. They're selfie form, they're super simple ads, and the messaging's right? So again, it says skip ads here. After 5 seconds, I could skip the ad to go back to my video. Here's a link. This is how to get people to click to go to your landing page. And then down here is an extension of the link, okay? And then again, down here, we can see another video discovery ad, okay? Now, this is a keyword targeted video discovery ad because they know that I'm interested in YouTube ads. Okay. So this guy is targeting me because he knows I have done previous searches on Google and YouTube around YouTube ads training because that's something I'm interested in. Okay. So the point is this. Okay. The goal of every YouTube ad is to get someone to a landing page. That is the main call to action you're trying to get people to do. Okay. And for whether they're sending you to a video or not, this is the book I told you guys to download. If you want more information on this, just go to g3.smbteam.com and then it'll give you all this wacky stuff at the end of it. But the point is that YouTube ads are not as complex as you think, right? You have video discovery ads, you have image discovery ads. You have the pre-roll skippable ads. You have the search ads that show up at the tippy top when people type in keywords. And ultimately, you need to be on all of them, right? Because the cost to get in front of a set of eyeballs on YouTube is a lot cheaper than Google. But also, the awareness you get on YouTube builds branded search on Google, meaning the more people who see you on YouTube, the more are going to go out of their way and type in your law firm's name to do research on you, to look up your reviews to see if the ad they got on YouTube matches up to your reviews on Google My Business. So what we typically notice is a 300% increase in what's called branded searches when you are doing YouTube ads in tandem with Google ads, okay? And you're starting to see how it's really important that everything ties together, because if you're going after the same keywords on local services ads as you are on Google ads and as you are on YouTube ads, that's where you start getting into the territory of omnipresence, where you're truly dominating one keyword in your market. So I hope you found this video valuable. Please subscribe to this channel so you get real-time updates when we put out new content like this. And also in the comments below, write a comment about your biggest takeaway from this video, because what it does is it creates a hand-mind connection, which makes it more likely that you're going to take action on it and retain what you learn. So I'm excited to see you in the next video. Look out for more of our new videos. And I will see you in the next one. Stay great. Gotta sign off, gotta sign off, gotta sign